Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Siti Nurhayati Srikandi Latifah. I'm from Group 1. Today, our presentation about type of sentence. The next slide is outline. Number 1, type of sentence. Number 2, how to write. Number 3, example. And number 4, conclusion. Next slide. Type of sentence. Number 1, declarative sentence. Number 2, interrogative sentence. Number 4, imperative sentence. And last, exclamatory sentence. Next slide. Number 1, declarative sentence. Declarative sentence or declarative sentence are sentences to express statement, provide fact, over explanation, or convey information. Declarative sentences are the most common type of sentence used in English. Their form can be positive or negative. Number 2, interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence is a sentence that aims to ask questions and get answers from other people. This type of sentence can be written in the form of direct or indirect. It can be started with pronoun or not, and it can also be in the form yes or not question. Apart from that, alternative question and tag question, also of course, are included as an interrogative sentence. In writing, interrogative sentence always end with a question mark, unless they change the form to report page. Then the punctuation mark used is full stop. Number 3, imperative sentence. Imperative sentence or imperative sentence are sentences to give order, express request, invitation, or direct instruction. The last number, exclamatory sentence. As the name implies, exclamation sentence are type of sentence used to express exclamatory sentence, or in Indonesian, they are better known as interjection or exclamation sentence. Next slide. How to write type of sentence. Firstly, a sentence needs a capital letter at the beginning and a punctuation mark at the end, like a full stop, a question mark, or an exclamation mark. A sentence also needs a verb in it, and it must make complete sentence all on its own. Next slide. Example of type of sentence. Number 1, declarative sentence. The characteristics of a declarative sentence are usually written using present tense, which ends with a full stop or period symbol, like a full stop. The usual word order for the declarative sentence is subject plus verb. As you can see, the example of declarative sentence. Next slide. Number 2, interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence ask a question. They ask us something. They want information, and they always end with a question mark. The usual word order for the interrogative sentence is W word plus auxiliary plus subject plus verb. As you can see, the example of interrogative sentence. Next slide. Imperative sentence. Imperative sentence give a command. They tell us to do something, and they end with a full stop or period, or exclamation mark or point. The usual word Order for the imperative sentence is best first. Imperative sentence can be positive or negative. As you can see, the example of imperative sentence. The last, exclamatory sentence. This exclamatory sentence is suitable for you to use when you want to express emotion or surprise that give a strong or exciting impression. Absolutely, punctuation at the end of this sentence will always use exclamation point. The usual word order for the exclamative sentence is what plus adjective plus noun plus subject plus verb. How plus adjective or adverb plus subject plus verb. As you can see, the example of exclamatory sentence. Next slide, conclusion. Sentence is the last unit of any language. In English, it starts with a capital letter and ends with a period or a question mark or an exclamation point. Sentences are generally interpreted as words or group of words that express an idea as a whole by giving statement or order, or asking question or exclamation. Thank you.